Reports say North Korean officials told their United States counterparts Kim Jong-un is ready to discuss denuclearization. It is the first time the offer was made directly to Washington, after it was previously conveyed through South Korean officials. Last month, Washington announced it agreed to a historic first meeting between U.S. President Donald Trump and Kim to be held by the end of May. Trump's decision to accept an invitation to talks dumbfounded foreign policy experts and caught his own staff off guard. But many remain skeptical whether this will succeed. Kim is likely to insist denuclearization includes withdrawing the promise of a U.S. nuclear umbrella to deter attacks on its treaty ally South Korea, and U.S. forces leaving the peninsula. Washington, meanwhile, will accept nothing less than Pyongyang giving up its nuclear arsenal, fuel enrichment, and ballistic missile program.